Hi guys, so how to fix Facebook Messenger? Something went wrong. Open settings, go to the apps, open the apps manager, search for Messenger and click on it. And then click on force stop. After that, click on storage, click on clear data and delete. Go back, click on the permissions. Now, on this page, make sure to enable every single permission because it's very important. And then click on force stop here, click on force stop, and then go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and enable the airplane mode for 10 seconds, and after that disable it. That's it. Now go back, open the messenger. The problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end.